Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about gynosium and terms related to gynosium. So what is gynosium? Gynosium is fourth whorl of a flower, or you can also write it innermost whorl of a flower. It is a female reproductive part of flower because this part contains female gamete, that is egg. So this gynosium consists of carpels. All the carpels that are present in a flower collectively forms gynosium. So in a flower there may be a single carpel, maybe more than one, maybe two carpel, bicarpal will be maybe three, maybe four, maybe five or more. So first let's understand the structure of carpel. Carpels consists of three different parts. A swollen basal ovary, thread-like long structure that is called style, and this styles ends in terminal part of, you can say, this style is called stigma. So a carpel consists of three parts, that is ovary, style, this is ovary, style and stigma. So this is carpel. So in a flower a single carpel may be there, that is called simple carpel. If single carpel is there, then it will be called simple carpel, or carpel may be more than one. In that case, the carpels are called compound carpel. So these compound carpels further may be free or fused. So if carpels are free like this, there are more than one carpels and all carpels are free like this. So this condition is called apocarpus. If carpels are fused, carpels are more than one and they are fused like this, and all are fused. So I'm showing here TS of this carpel like this. So here each locule shows carpel and all carpels are fused. In that case, the carpel will be called syncarpus. If they are free, then apocarpus. If they are fused, then syncarpus. Another term, that is pistillode. If Carpel is sterile, non-functional. Then it is called pistillode. So there may be a absence of stigma, so that pollen will not germinate, or also ovule may be absent. If ovule is present, then embryo sac may be absent. So here in all cases the carpel will be non-functional, and the non-functional carpel will be called pistillode. Another three terms on the basis of position of styles are terminal, lateral, gynobasic. There are four, not three: gynobasic and stylopodium. So if style is in line with ovary, style is present in straight line with ovary, like this. So this is your ovary. So here it is present in straight line with ovary. Then it will be called terminal. It is found in China rose. Lateral, when style arises from lateral side of ovary, like this. So here in that case it will be called lateral, because it arises from lateral side of ovary. So it is found in mango, Mangifera indica. Gynobasic, here style arises from the depression present in ovary. So here, so this is depression, and this depression is present in ovary. So from this depression, if style arises from this depression like this, then it will be called gynobasic. For example, Ocimum, Tulsi. Stylopodium, when base of style is soft pad-like tissue. A soft pad-like tissue is present at the base of style. So this is ovary. So here it is ovary, and at the top of that ovary, pad-like tissue, soft tissue is present like this. So this is here style, and the base of style, this is the base of style, is pad-like soft tissue, and this is called stylopodium. It is found in coriander. So these are the terms that are related to gynoecium.